Christmas. Welcome back to our Jack and Jill's 12 Days of Christmas. Today we're gonna share with you our decor for our fireplace mantle for Christmas. And here we got this garland. We found this beautiful item in Michael's, and it's too thin and we need to put fluffy with another, so we got this one that is like red, it's rose gold. It's art decor. It's in those tones, and we want to, let's gonna do something. This berry is so beautiful, so let's gonna jump into it. Here I'm adding lights to the garland. Here Jack is helping me to put the common scripts, because remember, it's good that you do use command script, because the garland is so heavy and she can come and slide and fall out. So it's better, the first thing that you have to do is clean your mantle, and second is put the command scripts. Little helping. Santa helping. This is so good.
There we go.
I found these berries on Michael's. It's in rose gold color. The ones that I put in on the tree, I found in gold and in rose gold as well. They're so beautiful. These candle holders from Michael's as well. You see, you need to put the ornaments no matter where you want to put, but you need to cover all the holes or the gaps you find in your garland. We need to flock this garland, and if you want, and if you need to get another garland more greenish to make it look tight and fluffy, you can do it. I didn't want to give the fluffiness because I didn't want my garland be over the mantle. I wanted to be hanging, get it felt like hanging. Maybe here in the video you can, yes, you can see a little bit, but in for real in person you can see he will like falling up, and the effect is super beautiful. The main focus of my decoration, Christmas decor this year, is Jesus' birth. So here is the manger and the beautiful clear rhinos or reindeers. Those deers you can find in Home Goods, or there's different places they sell on Amazon or Hardee's or Melrose. And okay, so those other ornaments, rose gold, the horns and all that, I find in Michael's. Some ornaments are from TJ Maxx, Walmart, and Big Lots. But the rose golds mostly I found in Big Lots and Michael's are the two shops that I could find more rose gold. And Walmart and the rest I just find blush in blush colors. So here are my Luminara candles, my rose gold centerpiece that I found in Burlington, and the rest of the bless, no matter if it's covered, because that bless was for the last mantle, for fall mantle, you remember, but this clear stuff still you can see it because we still bless, we always bless because Jesus came for that, for save us. So I hope you have like more greeneries in the corners, more greeneries to cover, and if you want that effect, that fluffing, buy more garlands. So I like those ornaments as well. You remember, if you haven't missed my video about my haul when I'm talking about where I found mostly of the products. That's it. Let's continue. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you got some inspiration. If you got any comments down below, any suggestion, and if you are new, don't miss the video, subscribe, and I hope you tomorrow with more of the 12 days of Christmas. Bye bye.